What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Tim Mark, and today's the day, y'all. I'm actually on my way to the airport. My ride is already outside. My homeboy, appreciate him. He came here in like 20 minutes before my actual time that I want to leave the house, but it's okay, you know. So I'm gonna see you guys on the flip side.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Alright, y'all. I know it's like 5:45 in the morning. I'm on my way to the airport right now. That's my Uber driver. Y'all, like we just make it, but to get out of this car, I need to put my phone in my bag or something. I keep dropping out my pocket, man. This is it. It's my boy Gene. Hey man, appreciate you, bro.
Hi, man.
I'll let you know when I get to my destination.
Okay.
Hold on, let me get my bag. Finally made it. About to walk inside now. Well, I'm here. I'm about to go check in. I already did that on my phone last night, so now I just have to go ahead and find my gate. Looking for my gate on a G14. Let me see what time. I have a long time to wait, fellas. It's my flight. My phone keep opening every time I turn. It's 6:49 and my flight is at 8:26, y'all. So y'all know I got a long time to wait. There's a lot of people here though, a lot of people. I'm like extra early, like super early. I got like an hour or something to like just sit here and just chill. This is the most boringest part of the whole thing. Those guys just sitting here and not doing nothing, just vibing. It's kind of crazy because a lot of people just walking and just like staring at me, like holding the camera in front of me. I'm FaceTiming, that's what it looks like. That's what I'm doing. I'm not talking to myself, I'm FaceTiming. Alright, so you wanna go to chill? I'm gonna make good use of it. I'm gonna go watch a movie, yeah? I'll see you guys back whenever it's time to work. It's about time. It's about that time. I've been sitting down for like 2 hours. Finally time to board the plane. It's that time. Getting on the plane now. Made it, but to go look for my ride. At least the worst part is over. Just waiting for my ride. It was boring as hell. Sitting down, ain't got nothing to do, just bored off my mind. I don't know if y'all can hear me because there's a lot of noise. Everybody getting their stuff, their luggage and stuff like that, so. And some of them are just passing by. But it was fun, man. I mean, at least I didn't know what was going on. I was watching my movie the whole time, so I didn't know when we left, and I didn't know when we arrived. I just know I started seeing people just getting off and on. Getting off, so I just get off with them. Hell, I don't even know if I'm in Boston. But I'm just joking. I know I'm here. Well, you know, I'm just waiting for my ride, and as soon as my ride get here, I'm gonna get back at Still waiting, guys. Just walking around this place like I own the place. He's here right now, so I'm gonna see you guys in a minute. Alright, y'all, I just touched down. Finna go see the little one now. Oh, push that up. Hey, Pumpkin, hold on, you gotta be careful. What's up? Who's gonna bring my bag? You gonna bring my bag?
I'll help you, I'm not joking.
Okay, I'm joking. Bring the camera. Just don't break it, okay? Hold on to it, don't break it. You got it? Alright, girl. Alright, bring my book bag then. Don't break it. Careful. I miss you, Pumpkin. I miss you more. No.
Alright, get up, baby.